trace. So trace basically enables you to run the program step by step. Okay, so say I have a instruction that is, so I'll just quit and then clear the screen. Debug, assemble at memory location 106. So I have here move bx 1234, move cx 5678, and add bx with the content of cx. Whatever the answer which is in the bx will be moved to the ax. Okay, so now before you may be able to use, or before you can run this program, use the T. So let's check the content of the register. So as you can see, the content of your registers are all 0, pointer is 100. Now if we will try to run this, trace this program. Okay, so let's do the tree. So the tree trace, as you can see, what does it give you? So it does not execute this particular part. But it execute this part. So this is not the correct instruction that we have. Why? Because our instruction pointer points to 100, memory location 100, and the content of that memory location address is 000, which is also equivalent to add bx plus si al. Now, so if we wanted to run or trace the correct instruction, or the correct instruction of the program, we have to change the instruction pointer to the correct address. And what is that address? 106. So 106. So let's see the content. Now it shows you the correct instruction, which is move bx 123. So now we can proceed with the trace. Okay. So that means, what does it do? Since the instruction is move bx123, so from 00 it changes to, okay, so since our instruction is move bx123, so from 000 it has now a new content. And also take note, your instruction pointer is 106, now it has a content of 109, which means this particular instruction move bx1234 is it's a 3 bytes instruction. So we have here the 3 bytes instruction. And also, she can see now the new content of the instruction pointer is wait a while. So the new content of our instruction is move cx 5678. Now, so let's try the new one, which is T5. So we will be tracing the next 5 instructions. So let's try So let's trace the next 2 instructions. So as you can see, it automatically traced the 2 instructions. So it automatically traced the 2 instructions, which is the add bxcx and move. So in this case, so your cx now, so your bx now will have a new content, okay, because it adds this content and this one, okay. So, and the next one will be, the next instruction to be executed will be move bxax. So it executed this one. Okay, so from 00 to 567. Okay, so those are 2 instructions. Okay, so now let's go back to the let's have an example which traces 16 instruction starting from CS105 at memory location 10. So in this case, you specify the start address, and this one is the how many instructions. So why is it 10? Because this is in base 16. So 16 is base 10, and that is base 10, and this is 10 base 16. Okay? So say for example, I would like to apply this one. So this time, look what is the our IP address. So whenever you use T, it executes the instruction at the instruction pointer, whatever address points the instruction pointer. However, if we will be using the T equals, so wherever your instruction pointer is, it will always start from the start address up to how many instruction. How many instruction do we have? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have here 4 instructions. So as you can see here, okay, so again, since the first instruction is move BX1, 2, 3, 4, so since the first instruction is move BX1, 2, 3, 4, the content of your BX changes from 680 AC to 1, 2, 3, 4. Next instruction is move CX 5, 6, 7, 8. So since it's the same, so it overwritten, so it becomes 5, 6, 7, 8. So next instruction is you add BX with CX. So 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it changed to 6, 8, 7, 6, 8 AC. So just verify the answer for that. And then move the content of the BX to AX. So you have here the change. So what's the difference between the two? What's the major difference between this different instruction? So whenever you use T, okay, it always executes the whatever the content of the IP instruction. But if you have T equals to 105, okay, whatever the value, so 6 instruction, even if your IP instruction pointer is at memory location 200, it will start from the command that will trace um, the instruction at memory location 200 and 15 instruction. Okay.